The Jansno X50 is a powerful and versatile option designed for adults seeking adventure both on and off-road. Featuring a robust 750-watt brushless motor and a long-lasting 48-volt 14 amp-hours removable battery, this electric bicycle offers impressive performance and range. Its 20-inch fat tires, coupled with a sturdy carbon steel frame, ensure stability and durability on various terrains, from snow-covered paths to sandy beaches and mountain trails. With 3 working modes, pedal assist mode, fully electric mode, and pedal mode, riders have the flexibility to choose the level of assistance they prefer. The removable battery adds convenience for recharging at home or the office. The bike's high-precision engineering design includes a lockable suspension fork for a more comfortable riding experience, while front and rear mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. The Shimano 7-speed transmission allows for customization of riding performance, whether tackling steep climbs or cruising at top speed. Equipped with features like a bright LED headlight for safe night riding, a clear LCD display for monitoring speed and battery power, and a front-wheel quick-release design for easy installation and transport. Overall, the Jansno X50 offers a blend of power, durability, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for commuting, leisure riding, and off-road adventures alike. Whether navigating city streets or exploring rugged terrain, this electric bike delivers a thrilling and enjoyable riding experience for cyclists of all skill levels.